Some agency. There are people who are aged 85 and above. I once again give a big thanks to all of you for your contribution all these years. Friends, today I am the Managing Director looking after marketing. I am very happy to inform you, even today, 97% of the policies comes to LIC through agent friends. 93% of the premium comes through our agent friends. And Mr. Agarwal was giving a data, around 15% of the business comes from our CM Club members. Last year you did 24 lakh policies. But here is a correction, Mr. Agarwal. It is not 24 lakh policies. It is 40 lakh policies. I will tell how. Respected CEO sir, these CM Club members are having around 14,000 of them are CLIs. And these CLIs have brought last year 14 lakh policies. So total CM Club member and their team members have bought 39 lakh policies last year. So it is not 15%, it is around 24% of the total business through the CM Club members and their supervised agents. So happy congratulations for contributing 24% of the business of the corporation. Do you understand, friends? And I have one more information, friends. Around 4.5 crores of policies are serviced by our CM Club members. LIC has got around 27 crores of policies in force today. Out of that, approx, I may be 10% this side, that side. I was trying to get the figure. It is around 4.5 crore policies serviced by all of you. And I'm so happy to see the data prepared by the department. There are 5% CM Club member agents are present whose lapsation is 0. There are 15% of agents whose lapsation is less than 5%. Our previous appointed actuary, my senior colleague Dinesh Bansal is present here, and 5% lapsation in a life insurance business may happen also. 15% of our CM Club members' lapsation is less than 5%. Please continue. I would like to have more zeros. And coming to the contribution in certain zones, friends, I am very happy to inform you. In South Central Zone, Visakhapatnam Division has highest contribution. They are having 23% in NOP and 23% in FPI. In coming to Tamil Nadu, Team Salem has got highest contribution, 18% in NOP and 26% in FPI. Hearty congratulations to Team Salem. Salam Salem. Coming to Western Zone, the highest contribution in NOP and FPI is from Rajkot Division, and the NOP contribution is 21% and the FPI contribution is as high as 22%. So friends, these are the few information I have given, and I will always thank all of you present here. Wherever I am transferred in the country, wherever I work in so many states, whenever I reach a new station, I need a new house, and in every place a club member agent has helped me to get a good house. Both my children, wherever they are gone, even in this city, I still remember Mr. Matthew Abraham. He is a CM Club member. He arranged for the admission of my children. Because you are there, we are here. And your contribution personally I can never forget. Now coming to friends, Mr. Agarwal was telling about few things. A CM Club member is always a centurion. It used to be, but now the situation is not so. I would appeal current year. Every CM Club member, my expectation is at least a Shatak Veer, and Last year the average premium was only 21 lakh rupees. I would appeal at least, Crorepati, you please try, but no CM club member should perform below 50 lakhs of premium. One big secret I'm going to tell you, friends. GST is tax free. When clapping is tax free, please clap. There is no GST in clapping. There is no income tax in clapping. So be generous. A big round of clapping for LIC. And friends, I would request the huge amounts LIC is paying today now. Jeevan policies you had sold. What we had promised? 18 lakhs 12,500.
Yes.
How much you are paying now? We are paying around 20 lakh rupees thanks to actuarial team of LIC, the valuation team of LIC. Today we are giving around 20 lakh rupees. But the sad part is we are not able to bring back these huge payments. Please meet, because I know at least 50% of Jeevan policies were sold by CM club members. Please try to bring it back. One more thing, you have to be tech savvy, friends. IT is very essential. Ananda, online. But my request will be, I have learned from the CM club members, top club member agents of the country. Unless you meet your customers, please don't forget to meet your customers regularly. However online you are, however Ananda you are doing, do in Ananda. But don't forget to meet. Here I am having senior friends. Suppose you sold a 1420 policy half yearly. How many times you used to meet your customer? 40 times. Every time you go to bring the renewal check, you discuss about a new plan. You discuss about the maturity. You discuss about the lapses, and please don't forget to continue to meet your customers. Customer experts, we should go and meet them. Online is very good, welcome. But please don't, because life insurance is not 2-minute noodles. It's not a Pond's powder you're buying. You are buying, selling something intangible. A promise you are selling for next 20 years, 25 years, 30 years. Meeting is very essential, and please keep meeting your customers. And I am again fortunate, friends. The number of agents, CM club members, highest in a branch is Kontai branch in Kharagpur division. And I was heading Tamluk branch, the #1 branch of the country, chief manager. The number of CM club members in that branch are 125 CM club members. In a single branch, I am very thankful to them. From this dais, I am saluting these people. Due to them, that branch could be doing around 78,000 policies in a year.